A sound वाले words. Let's start. A B app. A D ad. A G ag. A T at. A am am. A an A B app. A D ad. A G ag. A T at. A M am. A N an. A B family. Number 1. C A B cap. L A B lab. T A B tab. It's a app family. Tab, lab and tab. Now AD add family. B A D bad. M A D mad. S A D sad. It's a at family. AG egg family. B A G bag. T A G tag. It's a egg family. Egg G egg. B A G bag. T A G tag. Now A M family. D A M dam. J A M jam. M A M. What is this, bachcho? Yes, ma'am. It's a ma'am. Now N. It's a N family. B A N ban. C A N can. M A N man. It's a N family. Now A T at. C A T cat. M A T mat. F A T fat. It's a at family. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, guys.